Video na ready. I'm fan to my Abazinkum. We have video yeah. What do you see? On the say new IGP. You say and Mampani Beswani. Shabo.
Time no day.
Time no day. And he
so John say swearing in no. Abasa in fact we hear the appointment of Yonua a month for Bimu cry Kase Imani Ghana Kofi Bentel Mone Papaya Kwesieni Mo making moves on the Supreme Court. I could stop it or my penny from appointing a new IGP no. And no na Manfu say my penny I take that step. It no matter what the Supreme Court says. Because it's a provision in the constitution and ma or my penny kwai emane yes ade so maybe minim se bia that particular clause no enya entrench there
and I won't say
bia the Supreme Court probably will advise bia in the future
per what came out yesterday say na Supreme Court train some way me to listen to the issue now
yes
within that period no say mampani e delay say per bia na court injunction say
men found some
men answer. You get it?
Yes.
Before that, niamani nyina beba no.
Nti we dey chano pano. But Sir John, but mate say omo ehu omo wo picture no be your commanders. Sa na mate.
Picture there.
Video ya.
Police police panimfo
omo ani age and very bad for the optics.
Okay.
Unim. Now the tiene say whoever jubilated say ye Dampare free o. Whoever jubilated say Yonu Ebano very bad for the optics.
And there are people within so almost here Dampare for.
Yes.
Almost so and can be just
so those people they are likely to also sabotage the system. Ebasana when a break.
Ghana near break.
Say John, I have a very simple philosophy in life. And the Biameka say I believe in serving the institution. In this case, my friend the employer.
Then say be individual.
Not an individual. And we ubenya employee or some employee other than the employer.
Yeah.
Employee na yitria ne kabo some no. Or some or respect or any colleague employee some no than the employer. Enti obetimi awo adwumam na employee no ni die nyane say immediate boss ni nyame.
Yeah.
You could be on the boy me far ni nyame. Enti oye loyal to him than the company.
But be an refuse to say
one day you betimi na free it dey be yi na free ho pe na wa can sensemu because o man omobi ahun say ono na awesome no na nye company no
the time bia information
bia na ade commanders we mu aye no ye tie ne say o hwe omo ye very young, okay, omo ye very very young papa you know I mean, if I
say 4 years, but no, the age never 58 years, and I'm boy.
Over 40 years.
The American say, the American
I'm saying the age, you know,
because they minimum the age.
Is that say
all things being equal. Young fan say
65 crowd, I think, 60 years.
All things being equal. Young fan say on His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, a big winner memo.
How the less
all things being equal. So automatically 2028, whether you like it or not, there's likely to be a new IGP. But these commanders are almost say you know.
A serious.
You'll be around.
A serious.
Then one konya will be a sabio tafrache. Na jumudo kase debi. In as much as it be a won pemasma now say winyi we no enye wo na mehwe adwuma no nkoso na mehwe se Ghana emubadwo na mehwe nti I am ready to work with everybody. Then you also become a target. It's very risky.
Yeah.
So very risky.
Look at that.
It was so unnecessary.
But you see,
so unnecessary.
In this case, over blame why in this picture.
Me blame unim.
Because whoever took the video,
leadership. Me blame leadership.
Whoever took the video, I was saying can almost stop you.
Oh no, it's a John T. Unim.
When there are people who express some feelings behind the scene.
I said almost video. I want to fire by. So I want to fire by. I pointed to one thing. Say politics. Police administration.
Look at this guy. Or try say on baby.
So politics. Police administration so badly.
Interests.
So
personal
badly.
Personal interest as well.
And risky.
Personal interest.
Yes, risky.
Yeah, we are bad.
Yes, and maybe I could
not what Ghana, the police service, individually, there will be a benya.
And I say politics is just about interest.
Yeah,
politics pe na obi betimi aka kire say and I wo philosophy bi say simple sabi we so ma me kura na kuno di nyatumi a kuno. Politics e preach sir. Into politics a very dangerous, a very dirty. Just say esenya bibiri.
I'm kind of say say obeton ma me nyatumi a.
Oh yo. Oton. Na nyatumi you akofana ba. Ayo. Ene me we dey matwe sign. Mantini ye.
Ankani ye kra.
Say dey kan mantini ye. And man san ko kan ye. Because all along say that me tree.
Almost say
it is a ton there. But I very bad. Now ma me o ton na so ku a. So bet me a ton ma me. Na where nya ne biu and way. So a very bad. Whichever way you want to even
look at it,
you know, a very bad. It makes politics very dirty. And the police administration and politics say John, a very bad. And future no in looking good. It immediate say as a constitution review committee for no your major.
Let's see, yes.
I hope say article ya ko to you.
Yeah.
I was say omutimi ye hu bibi.
And
na ye je the appointment of police IGP ni whatever no a free the executive
and
the leader of the executive
unim say Evans unim say we are okay enra na o man we no ya on say bi wa nkrofo say as me too sentimental as me too emotional le woni ma bi ho hwe Ghana say sika so o kan say we be so say Ghana is the constitution review adwuma Ghana says Sikau a year Juma in the year 2010. Mampeni Dada late Mills.
Professor
a year Juma. Prof Yedmawi in the year 2011. Anna one in a buy no tenancy. No so commission no my Juma na wie. Modi aba. My entrance in the shame. Omo shame on the way yejitum way yanyintum way Ghana force way Ghana force same. When him says IGP says semi in the baby ade na ni kire no because you see a free timer COP Alex Mensah retired na semo bae no be can say we DVC we no we MPP we NDC among for crack aside NDC ni modi okọ NDC meetings ni sa ma no
na modi IGP ama no
e free ho even though na san komo no e wo ho say o political ni ade but e free sa da no a you set up committee so montana say parliament crab probi ye fa na ye wie ni nyina be see ye no Evans e be see ne direction na police administration any appointment ni kono e very dangerous and that was captured in this report, white paper.
Now, if you say committee, you cry a report about one thing. Not the chairman of the committee. Papa, a former North MP, Atachia.
Aye.
Any the deputy Agaga.
Aye.
Neja them. Atachia ne Agaga. It is Agaga no mwache.
Oh, enti when Prof Mills. Emma ye Juma and I did we me da so ebusa say enipa professor or the professor Kwakwaza okay no so a lawyer
a lawyer
oka omo omo twe asem no e dey asem no kokọ court no kan bi in the year 2014 na we say committee na we committee na report about commission report about issue white paper the next thing they say white paper no e be implement
na Sir John white paper ben you implement what gonna happen. No, but you see, white paper ben, mame one. Ode ene etie for you be suan there. Mame one white paper. You implement Ghana. One, just one. One. White paper be and why you implement Ghana happen. From 92, mame one.
Ebia na o chine bi na me
paper na was here say sano, e ye ni green and a blue. Seriously.
Oh, 80 me we fa ayana me go through you. Chief Justice there wa ha. Parliament and near ma ye bedi ho common na parliament quorum ye form quorum ye form quorum ye be den ni na nti niema no adaawre ye be twe adaawre no sa ne mani nyina no captured in this report. The appointment of IGP to me ye di nyina ma mampani so appoint we ni nyina
the framers of our constitution ade ba ko a omo ye omo amwa pa ne say no omo anwe ho is too strong a word but let me say omo nsusu ho da say ye bibifo what did to me she bibini nsa bibini nti se broni no krepe wo mu no
but I want to say o ka we nyina so omo ye constitution ho dwuma no omo dwene ho create window be say no matter how a next situation it no chena besesa nti ye wo clauses ni bi wo ho a ye say no de ebetimi asesa no at any time epe ebi wo ho de ai say Ghana fo nyina dwene ho
me da ase we say wo cha ase ya na mu ba bia be so de ko
wo cha ase
say no matter the situation ebetimi asesa na wo say come here clauses ni nyina ne ni kwa so mo entrench clause bia
oh okay